Want to earn extra money with simple ideas? Stay until the end for a tip that most people miss. To get started, pick a small task people often need help with, like buying a house or planning a simple event. Use Notion or Google Docs to organize the first 5 steps, add helpful links, and set a timeline. Save your guide as a PDF and sell it on Payhip or Etsy for quick micro-income. Starter packs are popular because they save people time and help them avoid mistakes. For more ideas on how to organize your pack, check out the book The Checklist Manifesto on Amazon. Remember, the last tip in this video will show you how to build long-term trust and earnings. Recommendation number 2. Think of 5 questions people always ask you, like college tips or organizing advice. Record short voice notes, each under 2 minutes, answering these questions in your own words. Use 11 Labs to create your audio and SoundCloud to host your vault, then charge for access through Buy Me a Coffee. People enjoy hearing advice in your voice because it feels personal and easy to understand. You can update your vault with new answers as more questions come in. Stay tuned for tip 5, which can help you build a loyal audience. And number 3, create digital weekend kits that give people fun or helpful activities to do. For example, make a screen-free family weekend plan, a $10 date night, or a Sunday reset routine. Use Canva or Google Slides to design printables and checklists, then sell your kits on Ko-fi or Gumroad. Add extras like a Spotify playlist link or a simple recipe to make your kit more valuable. People like buying ready-made plans that save them time and effort. This is a creative way to earn micro-income while helping others enjoy their weekends. You can make new kits for each season or special event, so your ideas stay fresh. Number 4. Offer a bookmark audit service to help people organize their online tools and saved websites. Many people have messy bookmarks and want help sorting them. Set up a 20-minute session using Google Meet and list your service on Nextdoor or TaskRabbit. During the session, help your client label folders and remove old links. This makes their browser easier to use and saves them time every day. People are willing to pay for help getting organized, especially if you make the process simple. You can offer follow-up sessions or teach clients how to keep their bookmarks tidy. This service is easy to start if you are good at organizing digital spaces. The final tip will show you how to turn helpful advice into ongoing support. Finally, create a free resource page using Carrd or Notion to share helpful links, downloads, or recommendations on a topic you know well. Add a tip jar link with Buy Me a Coffee so visitors can support you if they find your page useful. If you keep your resource page updated, people will return, and some will leave tips as thanks. A free resource page with a tip jar is a simple way to earn micro-income and grow a loyal following. It is often overlooked, but it can lead to steady support and even bigger opportunities. Try this tip to see how small actions can build long-term earnings. This method builds trust because you are giving value before asking for anything in return. Over time, your page can become a go-to spot for helpful information. You can also use feedback to add new resources and keep your audience engaged. As a recap, here are 5 ways to make money with micro-income streams. Build a starter pack for a niche task, turn FAQ answers into a voice note vault, sell digital weekend kits, offer a bookmark audit service, and create a free resource page with a tip jar. Each idea uses tools you already have and can be started quickly. These actions help others and can grow into steady income. If you learned something new, comment below. Make sure to click on this playlist to watch the rest of the YouTube series for more tips and tricks.